Affiliate Marketing Part 1. Affiliate Marketing in 2022. Free Guide for Beginners. What is affiliate marketing? How to start affiliate marketing. You may have heard a lot about the business of affiliate marketing and you are wondering how to possibly take advantage of it. If you would like to make passive income with affiliate marketing, you may want to give me a few minutes to see this beginner's guide. Trust me, it's going to become your go-to guide going forward. Not only are you going to learn the basics of how to become an affiliate marketer, but we will also dive into some real examples from professional affiliate marketers who are making thousands or even millions monthly spending little or no money. We will also look into how to promote products on Amazon, creating SEO-optimized content that ranks well on Google, email list promotion strategies, how to choose the best affiliate program for you. I will provide a step-by-step guide to the whole process, so you will have enough information to get started, and you too can start earning affiliate commissions in no time. Now, let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting the products or services of another person or company in exchange for a commission on sale. Affiliate marketers join affiliate programs, find reputable affiliate products to promote, and then share those products with their audience. Basically, it is the same old middleman role in product marketing. You sell other people's product for a commission. Bloggers usually make money by building an audience who trust them, and then by offering products or services that will genuinely help that audience. Affiliate marketing is really just a quick way to offer products and services without having to create your own. As an affiliate marketer, it just means that you find a product or service that you like, promote it to your followers or audience, and earn part of the profit on each sales that you make. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing can get pretty technical even for those well-versed in digital marketing. Fortunately, you don't need to know all the details to get started. Here's a summary of the technicality behind how you earn. When you join an affiliate program, you are given a unique identification and a specific URL to use when promoting the company's product. You include the link in your blog post or however you want to reach your audience or potential buyers, which invites them to click it to find out more. When the potential buyer clicks on the link to visit the site, a cookie identifying the affiliate, which is you in this case, is placed on the website visitor's computer. The cookie ensures that you're credited with the referral sale even if it occurs days or even weeks later. Whenever a buyer completes the sale process, the merchant checks the sales record for a cookie identifying the source of the referral. When the merchant finds a cookie with an affiliate ID, the affiliate is credited with the sale. The merchant makes reports available so that the affiliate can see their referrals, clicks and sales, periodically. The merchant pays the affiliate commission at the end of each payment period. That is revenue sharing. How to start affiliate marketing. Here are the key points you need to understand if you want to become an affiliate marketer. You're earning a commission in exchange for giving people or selling valuable products or services that your audience really need. In many cases, they may not even know they need the product or service. It is your job as a marketer to let them know by sharing valuable insights about the benefits of the products to them. In other instances, your audience is probably already in search of the product. They are already going to make a purchase whether or not you give them any advice or have something to sell. The question is, could you help them make a smarter decision than they could on their own? Now, that is where you add value. You earn a commission in exchange for being an influencer and helping people make smarter decisions. You get paid for introducing valuable products to people who probably didn't have an idea about how much the products would serve them. Here is a step-by-step process for doing exactly that. Step 1. Choose a product to promote as an affiliate. As a beginner, I can almost guess right that you'll have some constraint in the products to choose. Either you're limited by not having enough experience of products, or you probably cannot find affiliate programs for products you would like to sell. No matter the challenge, expect to do some work. In some cases, you may have to invest some time and maybe even money to research the product or service, so we'll be well equipped to introduce it properly to your audience or potential customer. There are two ways to go about it. Option number 1. Promote products you already know and love. This is the most common way to get started with affiliate marketing. You become an affiliate marketer of something that you've used yourself, had a good experience with, thoroughly tested and feel good recommending. You should be quite confident that others will get the same results you got, maybe even better, as long as they follow prescribed methods. If you have found great success from a product, course, book or an ebook that your audience or other people could also benefit from, it only makes sense for you to spread the word and share your results. Do a compilation of the products, services, and courses you already have experience with. You might have a list of a dozen or more. Which of them would you be excited to promote? That's a good place to start. Now, simply check to see if there are affiliate programs for such products. You'd be surprised to find many for a number of them. Using a search engine like Google, search for affiliate program plus product name. You will have to do a little research on the product, so you know its quality. Do they have a solid refund policy that you trust they will honor? Do they provide good customer support, and you have probably tested it? Do you have a good story to share about your experience with the product? Does the offer fit the needs of your audience? Will it abuse the trust you've built with them? You have found your first product. Apply and register with the affiliate program and start promoting the products for sales. Watch to the end. I will show you how and where to find affiliate programs. If you are just dipping your toe in the affiliate marketing industry, this first option may be enough to get you started. Now, here is option 2. This is how most people are increasingly going about affiliate marketing nowadays, especially if you do not have an existing product that you love, and is also a great match for your audience and is an affiliate program. In option 2, you're going to have to find products via an affiliate network. If you don't have any direct experience with, or knowledge of products in your niche that could help your audience, you can often find good affiliate products on affiliate networks by just simply browsing through the site. However, like I said early on, this approach requires that you invest time into research and in some cases, money, into purchasing products to try out, more so than the first option. That's because there's less trust and prior knowledge about the products and services involved from the outset. You have to do your due diligence to protect your reputation and the credibility you have built with your audience. This is why you also have to find prominent and reliable affiliate networks with proven track record. Preferably, use the ones that are already known and prominent. The list of popular and reliable affiliate networks include ClickBank, the eBay Partner Network, CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, the Amazon Associates Program. Outside the ones stated, there are definitely a number of other good ones. It all depends on your country of residence. Some networks will even assign you an affiliate manager to lead you through working with them because they actually want you to sell for them. It's a win-win for you and them. Amazon products, in particular, are an easy way to get started. Many newbies begin by becoming an Amazon affiliate and then scaling to other types of more profitable affiliate offers. Now, having found your products, the next step is to get yourself set up as an affiliate. You will have to apply, be approved, and provide certain information so that you can be paid. At a minimum, you will need to provide your personal and/or business contact information. your bank account where commissions will be sent. In turn, the merchant must provide you with an affiliate link. Whenever you post about the product, you will use this trackable link. It will have a long tag at the end of each link that includes your affiliate ID. Here is what some typical affiliate text links look like. You will also usually get some tips and useful assets that may be in text, video and picture form. In a number of instances, all of them, for marketing the product. These could include an affiliate guide as well as instructions on how to use the platform and a summary of policies such as payouts, online marketing tools like banners and sidebar graphics, ongoing communications from the merchant about promotions, new products, marketing videos and pictures of products, etc. If you use an affiliate platform like Amazon, you will get your own link for each of the specific products you promote. Be sure to check your specific network's help or support pages for more information. With the much said so far, you can get started with your affiliate marketing business already. Do make sure to subscribe to this channel, as I will be producing more content subsequently, on specific details on the various sections of the subject of affiliate marketing. Feel free to ask questions regarding the much that had been said here. Drop your comments in the comment section. I will be waiting to hear from you.